Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, authentic, original, official, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I did a video earlier on the T-Mobile test drive, 30 days on us, ready, set, go. And this has the charging brick, the charging cable, and instruction manuals. Came with a SIM card, which I've already put in the device. And so what you do with this was a real pain because I could not get it open with my fingers, and I finally had a quarter and I pried it open. So here's what the battery looks like. And then underneath here, I tried for half an hour to get this open without any coins and couldn't. All right, underneath here is where the SIM card goes in, and there's the sticker with all the information. And on here, I will not show you, that has the password and code for this device. So after you put the SIM card in with the T-Mobile going up, you put the battery in with these little gold pins on the bottom. Here is your inside of your device, and you just slide the battery in to link up with the pins, and it fits in there, and then you close the cover, and the cover stays on very tightly. I'm going to leave this off for a minute because I got to write down the serial number. And then to turn it on, you just push this little button, and this turns green. And now I have Wi-Fi in my apartment, which I didn't before. And this is signal, Wi-Fi, messages, battery, data, and off and on. You hold this down for 3 seconds to shut it off. Now it's giving me a signal, and it went from green to red. Now it's back to green. So this is in my hallway, and you can see I've got a good Wi-Fi signal here, 5 bars, and this apparently works with 5G. And so I stopped in the T-Mobile store on the way to Grocery Outlet, talked to the nice lady, and she said this will work with an Android phone, which means that for the first time I can take the free Medicare phone and not have to go to a mobile hotspot. And this will work with this. There's my phone. And I can get on the internet once this is set up with the password. And this recognizes it. I'm not sure how to do that yet. And the device I'm being sent will work. And an iPhone will work. And a tablet will work. And an iPad will work. Now, a year ago, I was going to buy one of these. They were orange, and it would have been $75. So with this program, the test drive, they want you to use their product, and you get this for free. So I just saved $75 for this. And if you want to see me have Wi-Fi in here and live stream and have an iPad and cameras and all that, this may or may not work with cameras. I don't know. Bear with me. I'm going to write down this password if I can see it. So, got to write down the admin password and the other password. And so that's it. And once I close this. I'll have the password, and this has a notch in it. I can find the notch here. Right there. There's a notch. So you line that up with the area with the notch, which I'm probably going to do, and then you just clamp it back in there. And now the battery has a charge to it, but I'm going to have to charge this. So I'm going to shut this off. And it turns dark. So this is a $75 Wi-Fi hotspot. I talked to the girl. They changed the color to black. She has one. He has the old one. And she said this will give me Wi-Fi on any device anywhere. So if you help me, you donate to the channel at falky2013@gmail.com and help me get a new iPad when it comes out from Apple, I can be live streaming anywhere. I can live stream on the bus, maybe. I can live stream at a cafe, a restaurant. I cannot live stream in the car. I have to get the other device for that. That's $95. But you'll see me on the iPad when I get a new iPad if you donate to this channel. And this is the device I need once it's programmed, set up, and once my finger stops turning it on. I just turned it on by mistake by holding on to the thing. And it's supposed to shut off, and it's not cooperating. And I don't know why. There we go. I got it shut off again. So there it is. This is a $75 item. But if you'll donate to falky2013@gmail.com, and I mean something substantial, not 39 cents or 63 cents or 2 cents, it all gets eaten up by PayPal fees. And if you donate to friends and family on that, there are no fees. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Hopefully you're warm and dry. I am going to eat my dinner and go to bed. I am very tired and sore all over from propelling myself twice onto the pavement of the street and the sidewalk. So I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now. This is a great channel improvement. This gets me Wi-Fi anywhere. And when I get a new iPad and the new device and the new iPhone, I'll be ready. I can go to any event and stream live straight to YouTube. Bye-bye for maybe Patreon too, for all I know. I don't know what the capabilities of this thing are. I'll have to find out. Bye-bye for now.